Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to cancel Elan Financial Credit Card. To cancel your Elan Financial Credit Card, simply follow the steps and watch till the end of the video. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box at the top, type in elanfinancialservices.com and press enter to end up in the official website. Now under the credit card program, select either for banks or credit unions. You will now find yourself in this interface from where you will need to click on the Contact Us button at the top right corner. Under Contact Us, go ahead and fill in the form. Enter the information in the form such as your full name, the name of the credit union, phone number, business email, and other information. After you fill in all of the information over here, go to the bottom and under What can we help you with, make sure to elaborate your description over here. Since I'm just going to show it to you how you can achieve it, I'm just going to write it in a short form. After you enter the information and you mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card, click on the Submit button. Also be sure to include your account number, the date you want the account closed, and a request for confirmation of closure. Remember that you'll need to pay off any remaining balance on your credit card before you proceed to close it up. After a while, you will be contacted by the Elan Financial customer service representative stating that you have now cancelled your credit card. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.